The number of IR active vibrational normal modes of a CO2 is, the question was asked in the GATE exam. And how to give the answer for such question? It is very easy. As you know that in case of spectroscopy, you heard the term IR active as well as the Raman active. So what is IR active? We used to say that if the compound is IR active or the molecule is IR active, then it must be show change in dipole moment. If it is Raman active, then it must have to change the polarizability. Now see how to calculate the CO2 molecule, the active vibrational modes for the CO2 molecule. It is very easy concept, as they have told us that it is IR active. Okay, so we have a formula for the linear as well as non-linear molecule. You must have to know that whether the particular given molecule is linear or non-linear. CO2, you know that it is linear. For the purpose of a linear molecule, we have the equation or we have the formula, that is 3n minus 5. Okay, so what is n? N is nothing but number of atoms. So how many number of atoms are present in CO2? 3. That is 1 carbon and 2 oxygen. So put the value over here. 3 into n minus 5, that is 3 into how many number of atoms are there? That is 3 minus 5. So it will be 9 minus 5 and it is 4. Okay, so the answer will be 4. Similarly, if they will ask you about H2O, you very well know that H2O is bent. Okay, it is non-linear. For the purpose of non-linear molecule, you have another formula, that is 3n minus 6. Now see, n same number of atom in water, that is 2 hydrogen plus 1 oxygen, and it will be 3. So 3 into 3 minus 6, it is 9 minus 6 and it will be 3. So over here you have 4 modes of vibration, or you can say active vibrational modes for CO2 is 4 and for water it is 3. Okay, but it is much more difficult to judge whether or not a mode is Raman active, because it is hard to know whether a particular distortion of a molecule result in a change of the polarizability. This difficulties is partially overcome by the exclusive rule, and all these formula are came from the exclusive rule. Okay, so this is the thing. Thank you very much for watching.